This is the Texas Weather Outlook video. This is the version for Saturday, June 17th. Good evening to you guys. This is Apex. Very hot as usual with partly cloudy skies in the evening. Monday, storm chances continue to increase. Tuesday through Friday, we're definitely going to see an uptick in tropical activity. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view. You do mention a few clouds moving through our area, creating some light clouds here and there. We do have a storm system that's in parts of the Midwest extending to through Dodge City, creating some storm problems there. Expected to last and move to the northeast. Take a look at the temperatures at 6:51 this evening. 101 in Abilene and 103 in Coleman. They're very hot right there, and I'll in fact show you the watch warning map next. But 92 in Arlington and really 92 in DFW. We see that major temperature difference from West Texas to North Texas. Take a look at the watch warning map. It is hot. It is hot in the southern part of the United States. We have heat advisories for all of the coverage area, and some excessive heat warnings in parts of West Texas and the Texas Panhandle, and widespread excessive heat warnings in parts and really much of California, Arizona, and Nevada. And we have a few excessive heat warnings in parts of Oklahoma, and meanwhile, parts of Kansas and extending up to Chicago, dealing with a few severe weather concerns with the severe thunderstorm watch in place. And to kind of go in depth with this does include most of the DFW coverage area. The main risk for severe weather will be from near Dodge City to near Chicago, Illinois. And tomorrow we'll see that risk extend from the northeast to our area, and for our area, really the standard slight risk will be north of I-35. If anything, the DFW will be in a marginal risk for severe storms. And this is really the radar tomorrow. This is the high-res NAM for tomorrow, and really this doesn't show anything except for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. So for the NAM, is the NAM saying that we'll get severe weather? No, and we'll just have to see with time. And this is day 3 on Monday. You can see that risk for severe weather extends to the New England area. Rain for the next 7 days, followed through Saturday of next week. 1 inch is showing an inch of rain, 1 inch plus of rain in parts of North Texas, and do want to note that 8.5 inch total of rain for the Gulf. We'll show you why. Take a look at the tropics. This is now a high. This right here is showing a high chance of tropical cyclone formation within the next 5 days. To be exact, that's an 80% chance. It's right now the system is near the Yucatan Peninsula, but that's expected to turn into a tropical depression / storm within the next 5 days, and we'll show you that in a minute. Here we go with the models. This is GFS. This is the 18Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock, looking at 500 millibars. Heights are really starting to come down temporarily as a potent ridge forms near the west, and we will most likely stay dry Sunday. Still partly cloudy, humid, and hot, but for the evening hours, we do want to note the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 90s still. Monday, storm chances start to go up, especially Monday morning with the surface front that's coming in from the north. Here's again the 3-kilometer NAM at 7 o'clock on Monday. This is showing widely scattered showers and storms with mostly cloudy conditions. That's what's bringing the temperatures down to the low 90s into the mid 80s. for Monday, and this is showing some convection going on in Monday, widespread chance. But after all of this is passed out, this will become partly cloudy. It will become partly cloudy in the afternoon hours. This is Tuesday. We're really unscathed of any threatening weather. However, do want to note that this potential storm or depression is coming in near the Florida Panhandle, really affecting the southeast portion of the United States. Wednesday, this has gone through Alabama, and it's now going through Georgia. And this is Thursday. You can't really see with this run, but we'll explain a little bit more in a little bit. But this is showing that this may all fall apart. And this is Friday. Do want to note for our area, it will be potentially windy with a southeast breeze of 20 miles an hour. Here's a week from today, Saturday, June 24th. You can see much of the south is in a 594 heat bubble. That will not feel good. And if you're not in the heat bubble, you're in the 591 flat ridge. So it's going to be pretty hot for the next several days for sure. And taking a look at the run, we're still left dry. And here's the end of the forecast period on Tuesday, June 27th. You can see a potent ridge forms in the west, and a deep surface low forms near the Midwest, and Texas is really in the very benign weather period. And this is the Canadian model. This is showing further development of this tropical depression / storm / hurricane. And as you can see with that scan, that's showing that this tropical cyclone forms near the Florida Peninsula, Florida Panhandle, and then tracks directly towards Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina, and Georgia, and parts of Tennessee before finally exiting towards the Atlantic. This is still a whole ways out. We won't know the exact track until we can get clear details. And here's the temperatures through Saturday of next week. Really showing we're really warming down to 90 for Monday with that with that surface front that's pushing through, but we quickly warm back up by the midweek into the upper 90s, and we will stay consistent with highs ranging from 73 to 76 throughout this entire week. That's the end of this Texas Weather Outlook video. We'll have more notes on my Instagram page. Be sure to follow my Instagram at tornado_Neil. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great night.